Everything in this video and on this channel is for educational purposes only. All content is intended for viewers 21 years of age or older. Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to take cuttings and make your own clones. First of all, we need a clean pair of scissors. Don't have to be new. Just if you use old ones, disinfect them before use. Then you select a shoot that you want to use as a cutting. Preferably you take a main shoot from the upper part of the plant. They are the strongest, they can survive the easiest, and then you make the cut. You don't have to cut as low as I do here. It's just because I wanted to remove the whole shoot. Next up, we switch over to the mini greenhouse here, and I've prepared a small pot. I've filled the small cup-sized pot with a special cocoa coir blend of mine. It doesn't have to be a special cocoa coir blend, of course. You can use other stuff like soil as well. You can use rock wool, you can use easy plugs. Just make sure that the medium is rather low in nutrients so the cuttings can take root easily. Next up, I trim off all the side branches on the cuttings. We just want to have the main shoot. And then I trim off every leaf tip. You don't have to do that, that's optional. And then I take my clean scissors and carefully remove the outermost layer at the bottom of the cutting. This can slightly improve the rooting process. Additionally, you can use rooting hormones or gels like Clonex. Of course, you can do it without the rooting hormones, those are optional as well. Once you're ready, you can take your clone and stick it into your potting soil or easy plugs or whatever you got, and then push it down gently, don't break it. And in the end, of course, give it some water, don't let it sit dry. If you grow in rather cold conditions, I suggest you getting a heating mat. You can just put the heating mat under your mini greenhouse, and to immediately up the moisture level inside the greenhouse, you can get yourself a pressure sprayer or something similar and then just spray some water inside of the mini greenhouse, close everything up, put it together, and you're done.